To add a virtual classroom session to an existing course, select the desired course in the Courses menu. Switch from Edit to the Contents tab on the Actions bar. From here you have access to the Virtual Classroom (VC) settings, where you can create a new VC session. Declare a topic and make sure to set a start as well as an ending time. Only users who are assigned to the prior selected course will have access to this virtual classroom. If you want to invite other users, you can do so by enter their email addresses in this field. Now simply click the Create button at the bottom right and to complete the creation process. To inform all users of the upcoming event, you may click the Send Email to Users button.